Today we are going to explore the dishwasher, a very smart device that helps clean dishes. But do you know how a dishwasher works? Let's discover how it operates through 4 main zones. Zone 1, water spray zone. In this zone, strong spray arms shoot water onto your dishes. Water comes out from spray nozzles at the bottom and top, just like when we use a hose to wash dishes by hand. Hot water is used to remove grease and tough stains. Zone 2, soap wash zone. After the dishes are wet, soap is added. The machine mixes soap with water to create a powerful cleaning solution. This soap helps break down grease and remove stubborn dirt. Zone 3, rinse zone. Once the dishes have been washed with soap, the machine moves to the rinse zone, preventing water spots from being left behind. Here, it sprays clean water to completely rinse off the soap and bubbles, leaving the dishes sparkling clean. Zone 4, drying zone. After the dishes are clean, the machine moves to the drying zone. At this point, the machine uses hot air or a fan to dry the dishes. Benefits of a dishwasher with 4 zones. Saves time. You just need to load the dishes into the machine, press a button, and wait for them to be clean without any effort. Saves water. Dishwashers use less water than washing by hand. Effective cleaning. The machine can clean every corner of the dishes with powerful sprays. Convenient. The drying mode helps. You avoid the need to towel dry the dishes after washing. Now you know how a dishwasher works through its 4 main zones. Share this video if you find it helpful. Isn't a dishwasher amazing? And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to watch more interesting videos.